Standard 3rd Video 7. Welcome to our English class. In the last class, we discussed about the fox idea. What was the fox idea? What was the fox idea? Anyone can give me the answer? The fox said that I will act like attacking the farmer's child. That time you should come and save the child. They made like that a plan. The fox and Billu made a plan. What was that plan? The fox will act like attacking the farmer's child. That time, the Billu should save the child. That was the plan. And what happened after their planning? Just listen. All of you look at page number 11. Look at here. See, you can see a field. Look at here. We can see a field here and the farmer and his wife working in the field, and their child is laying, and Billu is stood behind the child watching it. So just listen. If anybody asks you to describe the picture, you can describe like this. How you will describe? This is the picture of a field. Once more. This is the picture of a field. A fisherman and his wife working in the field. Their child is lying there, and near the child a dog is standing. The dog is watching to the child. This is a beautiful picture. That sentence you can use all the picture description. This is a beautiful picture. I like this picture very much. These two sentences you can use in all the picture description. So once more, listen how you will describe the picture. First sentence. This is a picture of a field. Second one. A farmer and his wife are working the field. Working in the field. Their child is lying near the field. A dog is standing near the child. The dog is looking at the child. This is a beautiful picture. I like this picture very much. Understood? So, if anybody asks you to describe the picture, that's easy. First you imagine, make the words in Malayalam. First you describe the picture in Malayalam. Keep the words in your mind. Then you translate that into English. That is the easy way. Okay. So you just try to describe the picture. Do this and send to me personally, not in our group. Describe the picture and send to me personally. And after that, once I got your answer, then I'll send my version. So you can check if any wrong is there, any mistake is there. So first you try to write. First you try to describe the picture and send to me. After that, I will send my version and you check with that. Okay, understood what I said? Now listen here. I'll read the page. While I am reading, all of you read with me. 5 times. You must read 5 times. Next day, early in the morning, the farmer went to the field with his wife. They took their baby with them. They laid the baby in the shade of a tree. While they worked, the old dog stood near the baby watching it. 1 time, 2nd time. While I am reading, all of you read with me. Put your finger under each word. 2nd time. Next day, early in the morning, the farmer went to the field with his wife. They took their baby with them. They laid the baby in the shade of a tree. While they worked, the old dog stood near the baby watching it. 3rd time. Next day, early in the morning, the farmer went to the field with his wife. They took their baby with them. They laid the baby in the shade of a tree. While they worked, the old dog stood near the baby watching it. 4th. Next day, early in the morning, the farmer went to the field with his wife. They took their baby with them. They laid the baby in the shade of a tree. While they worked, the old dog stood near the baby watching it. Last. Next day, early in the morning, the farmer went to the field with his wife. They took their baby with them. They laid the baby in the shade of a tree. While they worked, the old dog stood near the baby watching it. So after this class, after watching the video, all of you read 5 times. That is must. Now listen what is happening here. Billu heard their conversation, the farmer and his wife's conversation. The farmer decided to throw Billu out. So Billu seek the help of his friend the fox. The fox gave him an idea. What was the idea? The fox said, I will act like attacking the baby. That time you just come and save the baby. That was the idea. So the next day they went to the field. Farmer and his wife with their baby. Next day, early in the morning, the farmer went to the field with his wife. Farmer went to the field with his wife. With. Who is there with him? With his wife. Farmer went to the field with his wife. They took their baby with them. While going to the field, the farmer took the baby with them. They laid the baby in the shade of a tree. A big tree is there and the tree always gives us shade. So the farmer laid the baby in the shade of a tree. And they are working in the field. While they are working, the old dog stood near the baby watching it. That's happening in this para. The farmer went to the field with his wife. They took their child with them and they laid the baby in the shade of a tree. While they are working, the dog watching the baby. So here, with. You can see the word with. The farmer went to the field with his wife. There, what is the meaning of with that time? You send to me the answer. by using the word with. What do you mean by that? Send your voice message. I went to the school with my friend. Every day I am going to the temple with my father. What is mean by with? Why using that tag? With. Find out its meaning and send to me its audio, all of you personally. Okay. Every day I am going to the temple with my father. Okay. So with, find out its meaning and send to me. Okay. And now look at the word. Now look at the word. Early, early, field, laid, shade, stood, watching, with. One more word is, what is that? With. One more word is there. What is that? With. Once more, read with me. Early, field, laid, shade, stood, watching, with. Write these words 5 times. Find out meaning also. Read lesson 5 times. Okay. Once more, I repeat. Listen carefully. First you describe the picture. Okay. Then read this 5 times. Then find out the word meaning with. What is the meaning of the word with? Here, 2 times they are using with. The farmer went to the field with his wife. They took their child with them. I'll give more examples. Listen here. I am going to school with my friend. Every day I play with my friends. Okay. Like that, you try to make sentence. If you can't, no problem. But you send me the meaning of the word with. Not in our group, personally. And after that, write this 5 times, find out its meaning also. Okay? See you next class.